Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to apply small caps in Microsoft Word. This can give your documents a more polished and professional look. Starting on your Microsoft Word dashboard, if you want to use small caps, all you need to do is highlight the word where you want small caps to appear. Then, go to the Home tab and look for the small arrow in the font section. You can also press Ctrl-D on your keyboard to open the font settings. Once you do that, a small window will appear. Under the font options, you will see Effects. This is where you will find the Small Caps option. Simply check the Small Caps box and click OK. As you can see, your text will now display with both capital and small letters. You can choose between all caps or small caps, depending on how you want your text to look. Feel free to explore the other options as well. This feature is great for styling headings, titles, or any important text using small caps formatting in Word. And that's it. Now we know how to apply small caps in Microsoft Word.